secret to a good satay is really hot embers and no flame. And then also with the satay lilit, the best way to make it is that they do a pinch and pull, and that enables fish to get a little bit of texture and a bit of caramelization in certain parts of it. But a good satay lilit should never be burnt, but should never be not charcoaled and not grilled correctly. It should have a golden color. You can see here, beautiful coloring on it. Fish that they get here is actually comes from Banoa, and they get about 100 kilos, which is almost one whole marlin that they have, depending on what they can get. Sometimes two, sometimes one. And they use that in a day. So this is a regular process. Let's go and order some, shall we? Yeah, sate ikan and then sate lilit. Do a biji. And then satu pepes. 12,000 rupiah just for a few sticks of satay and some sambal. What a great deal. This warung is 3 generations old. It's around about 1969. And actually this is from when the volcano happened in Kintamani, that a lot of the people in Kangarasem fled and came to Singaraja, where it was a safer place. So they originally came from Bungaya village in Kangarasem, and then that's where they fled to here. So let's go and try some satay. So we've got a little bit of the satay lilit here. Fantastic. Again, there's a significant taste from what I've had over there as well. The satay is very different to what you get in Denpasar as your satay lilit. A little bit less coconutty, but more flavor on the bumbu. And then you also have your marlin sticks. And the signature here is always to use marlin, because basically it gives you a better yield and a better texture in the flavor of it. Then last but not least, I've got the pepes in here. It's basically fish wrapped up in banana leaf. And again, it's all with the same paste and it's kept fairly simple. And the best thing with these warungs is that you have to get here early in the morning, because that's when fresh is best.